Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to Pepe Update today. And the technical target that I was looking forward to for Pepe is already met. And right now, Pepe is moving sideways and trying to continue off. So we started off the rally some few days ago, and here it is. So move to the upside, sideways movement, another move to the upside. And so far, Pepe has performed for almost nearly from the time this pump happened from the downside here. We've actually been like a 56%. Actually nearly 60% move to the upside. This is so good. Now when you move up, of course you're going to be making some bearish divergences, because that's just how things are. Now unfortunately, as I told you before, I'm going to keep this update right now very simple and remove some of the lines to get a lot of confusion out of the way. And in fact, I'm just going to leave you with the following little bit of chart drawing right now. This is the place where Pepe has been rejected multiple times. Okay, we have seen Pepe absolutely been rejected so many times right here. You can see that it started off back in June, where you had a touch, move down, touch, move down, touch is here, move down, and now you have just pumped exactly to that resistance point right over there. Now the question that is posed is that, can Pepe break above and go to the all-time high? Because that's the ticket to the all-time high if you do actually end up breaking the this little bit of a pattern that you have. Because when you take the trend line top to the bottom right there, then the next technical target you're looking for is going to be 2660, and that's where you can actually end up having Pepe pump up, and that's going to be your new all-time high. Can it happen? I personally think it is supposed to happen, because we have a lot left in the tank for Pepe. I don't think this is the all-time high just yet. I think you're going to break it, probably even move higher than this until next year. I'm not saying it's going to happen, but in Q4 there are higher chances until December. Maybe we could be rejected a little bit, drop down a little bit, and then in the future come back up and then try to break it off. That's just one aspect of my thought. But you can also do something where you break up, go up, and then you drop down a little bit, retest things, go down, and then finally, boom, push up. So these are just some few things that can happen in the next coming few days. No really cannot say for sure which scenario is going to play out unless we don't really see how the scenario is going to play out. Now let's say you do drop down from here, then the fib retracement can really help big time. And I'm going to take the bottom to the top. The retracement that you can see from this place is going to be all the way down to 941. So you retest 941 and then finally go back up again, and you continue all the way to the upside. So that's all for the video on Pepe. I'm going to see you in the next one. Love.